My name is Morgan, and I'm an event planner, and I'm also a single mom to a beautiful daughter who's about 7 years old.
I'm Vinny, I'm a sales rep, and I'm happily married. I have 3 kids.
My main focus is on real estate, but I do have a couple other passion projects, which include an automobile business.
I like to keep myself busy because I think that's what life is about. I'm a software engineer, but I also do acting on the side.
I have to wear many different hats. Being a marketing consultant, you're kind of constantly on the go, constantly consuming information.
Event planning is extremely chaotic at times, and to couple that with my personal life, it's just non-stop.
I'm very family oriented, so I'm in contact with my mother, my sister, my brother, and I don't mind juggling. I like that type of busy.
I've worked on people's couches, on airplanes. I've worked just lying on the floor in my house.
I'll go to a coffee shop or a meeting room space where there's a co-working space.
As long as I have a device with me, phone or laptop, I will be productive.
There's something about the instant gratification of the phone that's very distracting. That's why I like to set it down, turn to my laptop, and just really focus. I'm constantly switching gears, so I just really need a laptop that's going to do the same.
If I had to describe the ultimate laptop,
Better batteries?
Lightweight for sure.
Really professional.
It needs to be super fast.
If I could just whip it open and the front page is there and I'm instantly connected to the Wi-Fi network.
If there was a way for my laptop to just know, all right, work mode, play mode, family time mode.
I want to be self-contained and I want to be ready at all times.
There's something so satisfying about seeing my daughter off to school and then I email a client and knowing that I'm pretty much doing it all and I'm doing it myself.